All right, first look at the Park City Q4 numbers, and well, we're not slowing down. 2025 closed out with 5.75 billion in total sales volume, making it the second strongest year right behind the COVID boom. Now, here's what's interesting. Single-family home sales only rose 6% in quantity, but total volume jumped 26%. So what does that mean? Buyers are paying way more per home. Average prices were up nearly 18%, and median prices climbed 15% year over year. Same pattern in condos, just louder. 859 condos sold in 2025, down 9%, but sales volume jumped 20%, thanks to a massive 32% average price increase. But let's just pause right there. Some of this data is seriously skewed. Take Deercrest, where condo sales jumped from 5 to 53 units for Deer Valley East. That's a 960% jump. And the average price, that's 5.5 million at Founders Place. That single developer alone has pushed median prices in Park City Limits condos up 56% to almost 2.5 million. Then there's Empire Pass, where single family home sales jumped 900% year over year, and Canyons Village posted 17 million average across 10 home in the White Pine Canyon. That's 170 million micro market on its own. But these aren't just stories about luxury in Jordanelle where construction is exploding. We saw a 25% increase in unit sales and 45% jump in total volume. Median prices here just passed 4 million for the first time in land. Golf continues to be the X factor. Agents reported vacant lots in gated communities selling for 800,000 to a million more than similar sized non-golf lots. If that's not a sign of segmentation, I don't know what is. Now, for the big picture here, inventory is up 14%, highest since 2020, but average price growth isn't showing signs of cooling. Existing homes alone rose over 14% year over year. Even if you remove new builds from the mix, we're starting to see signs of buyer fatigue at ultra high price points and a bit of December softness. Median single family home prices were down 1.6% that month, but context matters. That's likely seasonal and not a downturn. While the snow showed up barely, raising concern about 2026 rental income, the long-term outlook's still strong. Demand is pretty healthy, inventory is growing, and the big one, Park City, is no longer one market, it's a collection of micro markets. So whether you're buying, selling, or investing, understanding where you're at, looking has never mattered more. So if you want somebody trusted that loves to break into the numbers and not just look at the headlines and really see what's going on in the market, in your different micro market and segments, hit me up. I'd love to help you out. John Brown, associate broker with Keller Williams here, 801-837-4445. We've kind of seen it all. This past year, the colony popped off compared to last year, but then we're also seeing a bunch of growth at the Jordanelle that's skewing all these numbers. So you really want to dig into these things, and I'd be happy to do that for you, but just a high level overview for Q4 here. So see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Peace.